Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some trades as they unfold live. Market opens up in less than 2 minutes. Going to watch PCG and Roku, ROKU out of the opening gates. So let's see what happens. Have an order at 1551 here on PCG. Looking like it may have a chance to get filled here. Just 500 shares. I'd like more than 500, but that'll at least allow me to get my feet wet. So we'll see if it can make its way down there. Okay, now ROKU is pulling back here. So all over the place, have an order at 42.75. Still have those orders out there on PCG, but let's see if we can get a breakdown there. So it's working its way down. I'm in and out for the quick $50. Let's go to 42.51. And if it can make its way down there, I'll give it another go. Okay, change the order to 42.25, represented by that green line right there. Key break is going to be that 42.50 mark, which it did already break once, but apparently going to need a break again. So going for the break. 42.50 being pretty stubborn. There's the break. Okay, what I was looking for did not happen. Remember, I am looking at other time frames. How low did it actually go? 42.28, so yeah, 3 cents off. But I am interested now at 41.90. So I'll keep a close eye on it. All right, move my order to 41.80. There's the break. So I'm in. Again, we'll look to build more, but it decided to just give me the quick $50 again. Let's go to 40. Actually, I think that's what this is supposed to be. Let's see. Nope, good thing I double checked. 41.20, next entry point. So there we go, lesson there. Always double check. So 41.30, next entry point. Key break is going to be the 41.50 mark. Let's see if it can get that. Clay, why aren't you just shorting right now? Well, you know, that would be, I realize in hindsight that would have been the smart thing to do, but this thing could really snap back at any point. So again, yes, with hindsight, that's why I'm a trillionaire in my hindsight account. That's why all traders are really, really rich in their hindsight accounts. But sticking with what the chart and my strategy is telling me to do. So 41.20. We'll see if it can get down there or not. Okay, there's the break. Oh, it stopped at it hit 41.20. It just didn't fill me though. Bummer. Right there, 41.20. You can see was the low. I just didn't get anything. So let's go to 41.01. Actually, at this point, got to go to 40.80. So 40.80, next entry point. Bummer. Power of charts. Literally nailed the bottom there at 41.20. Problem is, I just didn't get any from a practical setting. So that's why the paper trading platforms can be oh so deceiving, because just if it hits a price, it'll give you credit that you get your position filled. But as you just saw here in the real world of trading, that's not always necessarily the case. So 40.80. All right, wow, that was a quick move. Went down and hit as low as 40.89, but that was in a blink of an eye. Okay, I'm in and out that quick for another $50. We'll look at 40.51. Nope. At this point, going down to 40.01. Just absolute bloodshed on this one right now. Let's see if it can get down to the 40.01 mark. I will keep you updated, but yeah, let's see. We're 12 minutes in, $150 on 3 separate trades. Maybe more. We'll see if we can get down to the $40 mark. All right, 39.75 might be coming into play, but as you've already witnessed, Roku very volatile. So I'll do my best to capture the entry point, but this one could snap down there in a blink of an eye. I'll do my best. All right, making the move down, 39.51. Looks like it may have a chance to come into play. I'll let the video roll here a little bit. It's trying. All right, well, back into the 80s and now 90s. All right, 39.70 entry point. Getting somewhat close. Okay, I'm in. We'll look to either get more shares. Okay, it's giving me 112 of the 500 that I wanted to sell. Okay, so all out there again. 39.15. Next entry point. So if it looks like it's going to break down through 39.50, I'll get the video rolling again at that time. Okay, broke 39.50. Now it's just a matter of seeing if it can get down to 39.15. Oh, that fast, back up above. So yeah, volatility definitely kicking back in again. I'll keep an eye on it. Okay, I have a potential another order here, or I should say entry at 38.85. Shoulda, coulda, woulda kept the one at 39.15. But hey, there's hindsight for you again. All right, again, 38.85 is the next entry point. And if it looks like it's going to break down through 39, I'll get the video rolling at that point. All right, there is the break. I changed my order down to 38.80. All right, well, I don't like how it was just hovering right there, so let's go to 38.55. So 38.55. All right, I apologize. I got filled here at 39.49 on NKTR. It really just exploded upwards. There we go. I'm going to be able to get some more shares. Let me put my cover orders out there. As you see here, quite the move. Still just 900 shares. Not that many at all. Have orders at 40.10, 40.05. So all out there for a quick $180. So let's see if this thing wants to make another move upwards, and if it does, I'll be ready for it. But again, I apologize. For reference point, it's 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Normally, I would not be trading right now, but I saw this one getting kind of crazy, so I just threw out an order right here at 39.49. Like I said, I put the order in at 12:57 p.m., and I got filled on it, about at 1:11 p.m. So it was just sitting out there for quite a while. Was not expecting that move to happen, but it did. And then I got the video rolling, and you saw the next entry points and then the exit. But yeah, my point here is that I apologize for missing the entry point, but this is kind of not what I'm normally trading. And then all of a sudden, this move here really kind of just came out of nowhere. In fact, let's see if I can get another move like that. Let's go to 41.75 again. I realize that seems super far off, but you saw how this one can move. So who knows? Maybe another trade will come on at 41.75. All right, making another move. I have an order at 41.85. I'm going to pause, but just know that it's out there. This one's very tricky to get because, as you can see, that fast now it's back down to 31 or 41.30. So very volatile, but 41.85. Okay, it was making a move, got up as high as 41.78, and then back down it went. So maybe I'll just wait until I get filled, just because I don't want to waste too much time on the video trying to capture this, but we'll see. All right, I need to wrap this up. Totally forgot about it. It's now 3:25 p.m. I stopped watching NKTR a long time ago. The volatility really dried up. You see down here, the volume dropped off quite a bit. And then I just simply forgot. I got distracted and forgot I had this video out there. But yeah, I'm going to wrap things up. So let's see. Closing the day for 380 bucks. Nothing big, but I really was not paying that much attention to the market per se. I had a lot of other things going on today. As of the recording of this video, it's officially tax season now, so I got to start to do stuff for my real estate stuff and business stuff. It's a busy time, so I wasn't necessarily paying that much attention. So I'll take the 380. I guess that's what I'm trying to say in a roundabout way. Before I go, though, if you do enjoy these videos, the easiest way to communicate that to me and say, hey, Clay, please keep taking time to make these, just hit that like button. And also subscribe to the channel. If you are interested in trading alongside me and other traders, you know, I made a lot of these alerts that you saw me trade, then you can go to claytrader.com. I offer a $99 per year, not per week, not per quarter, per year subscription service, which has a live trading room. There's a newsletter that I send out. If you do the math, it equates to $8.25 per month or $1.90 per week. And as I say every week, and I'm going to continue to say, over the time span of 12 months, I'm more than confident you're going to get at least $99 worth of value. And finally, if you're interested in learning how to trade with charts and technical analysis, which is what you saw here, I do offer training courses at claytrader.com. Again, you can just go to the course section there. But if nothing else, if you don't spend a single dime, that is totally okay. All I would say is that if you want me to keep making these, like I said, then just communicate that to me through clicking that like button. Take care. I'll see you back next week. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.